gotta know where I'm from to get to know a nigga. I still glad to smoke weed, hiding from the police. I spend time overseas, hanging out in England. And I got the squad on my mind and the meanness. Do a little time out the country, I need this. 56 nights, gotta know the real meaning. I ain't holding this bang, I ain't holding this. The music way ahead of its time and I noticed this. Get back in the studio, give them what they was missing. They didn't know I knew the game and I know how to reinvent. They ain't know me in them cuts, they just know me for rhyming. My hard work finally catching up with perfect timing.